Hyoid bone has three types of attachments: muscles, ligaments, and a thyrohyoid membrane. Let's start with the muscular attachments. Remember that these attachments allow the movement of this bone as we swallow, breathe, and move our neck. It is said to be suspended within many muscles, so hold on as we go through each of these. On the anterior surface of the body, we have two muscles that have insertions, the geniohyoid and mylohyoid muscle, and one origination, the hyoglossus muscle, that extend to greater cornua. I told you about the triangle of the neck earlier. These three muscles make it up: the geniohyoid, the mylohyoid, and the hyoglossus. The upper border of the body provides insertion to the lower fibers of genioglossus. The lower border of the body provides attachment to the pretracheal fascia. In front of the fascia, the sternohyoid is inserted medially and omohyoid laterally. The lateral border of the greater cornua provides attachment to the stylohyoid muscle, the digastric pullae, and thyroid muscle. The medial border of the greater cornua provides insertion to the medial pharyngeal constrictor muscle. We can divide all these muscles into suprahyoid and infrahyoid muscles. Suprahyoid muscles are those attaching on the superior end of the bone. They include geniohyoid, digastric, mylohyoid, and stylohyoid muscle. Infrahyoid muscles are those attaching on the inferior end of the bone. These include thyrohyoid, omohyoid, sternohyoid, and sternothyroid muscle. Coming to the ligaments, two ligaments are attached that keep the bone at its place: stylohyoid and hyoepiglottic. Stylohyoid, as the name indicates, its one end is connected to the styloid process of temporal bone and other to the hyoid bone, so calling it stylohyoid ligament. Hyoepiglottic ligament means between the hyoid and epiglottis. So one end is attached to the hyoid bone and other to the epiglottis. Thyrohyoid membrane separates the hyoid bone and the thyroid cartilage. It is present at the lower border of the body posteriorly. So at a glance, the bone is surrounded by several muscles, two ligaments, and a thyrohyoid membrane. So that was all about the hyoid bone. For more anatomy lectures, keep watching sqadia.com.